Hello guys, what's going on today? Another video. This time it's an unboxing video. So yeah guys, go ahead. I got two packages guys. I got one from Light Take. So we're gonna open, and I don't know where this one come from, but we're gonna open the small one. Okay. This one come from, I don't know. So let's go ahead and open it guys. I remember it was I haven't figured out what is this, cause I don't think it's my Rubik's cube, the 3x3. That's 3 centimeters, because this is, does not feel like a cube. You know what? There you go. Knife away. The play with knife around, guys. Yo, this is a 3x3. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this the savage way. Oh, sorry. I'm on my camera. Can you see guys? Good? You see that cute in there? See that guys? Oh my god, this thing has a lot of this protection. Yo, this thing is so tiny. Yo, actually pretty cool. Yo, it spins pretty good. Guys, actually, it feels like it has loop on it. I'm not sure. Look right there. I'll put the camera zoom in. So, alright. Guys, it actually spins pretty good, because you know it's actually pretty small, but it spins pretty good for the small, because it's pretty small guys. This cube is so good, and it feels like it's being lubed. So like for a tiny little cube, it is a pretty good guys. God, this thing spins really good guys. Thing is so tiny, and what I like about it, okay, hold on, let me see. Do we got, yeah, we got the right color. So yeah guys, this thing spins pretty good. It's pretty small. It feels lubed too. Yeah guys, so good. So you can imagine how small is this. Look, I'm going to compare it in one of my normal 3x3. This is oh my god, hold on. Alright, this is normal 3x3 Rubik's cube. Look at this guys. Yo, it's so small. But it's pretty cool though, I like it. Let's throw this wrapping like out of the way. Have the cube right there. I like it. So let's go for the white package. This comes for the Light Take, so let's see. Oh. Okay, I see. Oh, I think it's a printer. Yeah. Okay. Yo, this thing's huge. Okay. I'm already expecting this cube's gonna be terrible. But the first looked. Go ahead and open this. How can you open this? Okay. Expecting this is terrible. Damn, this thing's huge. Okay, guys, okay, guys, I'm telling you, I'm not a speed cuber, but I'm not gonna do all that fast move because I'm not a speed cuber, guys. I have to tell you, this is a pyramids, which is what I like about it. It does not deform because some of them like move from shapes. It's not that smooth, but if you loop this, I don't think I'm gonna loop it. So if you loop this thing, it's gonna be pretty good. Or that's what I think. Okay, this is the first time I have pyramids, so I have no idea how to use it first. So, like, but if you put some loop on it, it's pretty well. Yeah. So this is what it came. This is it. Hold on. This I'm not sure this is a 3x. I'm not sure if it's a 3x3 Rubik's, but hey, it's pretty good. So yeah, guys, this was today's package, and and then yeah, it's pretty good, guys. This thing I like that. Gosh, goodness, thing's pretty fast. Yeah, it's a pyramids. Come on now. So yeah, guys, hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up, and then comment, guys, if you liked it or no. And then yeah, guys, and then peace out. See you in the next one, guys.